Hello everyone and welcome back to another plan with me. Today I'm going to be planning out the week of February 1st through February 7th. Alright, so I was going through my kits, and like I've been saying for the last few weeks, I have been trying to kind of just use up what I have, and I really haven't ordered anything for a couple of months. Like not since, as far as kits go, since probably, I don't know, I'm gonna say maybe October time frame when I ordered some Christmas kits, and that's really about it. So this week I'm going to be using an older kit from Planner Kate. It is 161. I don't even have date headers for this thing. I mean, I think it's going to be okay. But it kind of already matches the colors in the MakseLife. Let's go ahead and take a look at this current week that we are in. There's always a bunch of extra pages in the MakseLife at the end of the month because you're doing like your monthly reflections, your weekly reflections, and things like that. So here's where we are. I really liked this winter themed kit from Chrissy Ann Designs. Unfortunately, I'm not getting all the snow that everyone else up north is getting. Otherwise, this kit would have been a little bit more appropriate. So I'm going to use this one. It's like this hexagon, I don't know, it's super pretty kit from Planner Kate. And I'm going to start with putting, I'm already like losing things. Why are we shocked? I'm going to put some of the washi down on the bottom there. This is what I was looking for, my washi cutter, which is a hot mess because I'm still cleaning up the wax that I spilled in my office months ago. So I've been moving around some furniture and it hasn't been pleasant because the wax is still in some areas that I didn't see before. So I'm going to start down here just by putting the washi down there, and I think I'm going to use the upper part of this box. The sun is being like extra weird. We have had rain almost all day, and now it has decided that the sun wants to be extra and it's throwing some things off of there. So all right, let me get this other one done. And then I think I want to use some of these dots on the bottom. Okay, the color is like way off. We'll just deal with the clouds coming in and out. Not really sure what's going on there, but I wanted to use some of these dots down here to mark where I'm going to put our meal plan for the week. I sometimes kind of have it up here like I did last week, and then this week I knew that I was going to be dealing with some smaller washi, so I knew that it wasn't going to be the same. Which this will be a great weekend because we will have Jessie home with us, so that is going to be awesome. All right, let's start off with, there are full boxes this week, and I kind of want to use them since I don't have like the rest of this kit with me. So I'm going to, I think I'm just going to go across, or maybe I'll want to, I don't know, maybe we'll just stick with across for this week. Okay, moving along because I cannot continue to fight with the clouds that are trying to mess with my lighting today. Let's see, I need to, we have kind of a, I don't want to say a blah week, but we don't have an incredible amount of things going on. I, of course, want to put my videos down for the week, which of course is going to be this plan with me that you're watching. Wednesday is going to be a weekly vlog, and Friday I am still working on a little something, so I'm just going to leave that one blank. Next up, I'm just going to put the usual work meetings that I have. We do have a couple of extra ones, but they haven't been like really solidified on our work calendar. So I'm just going to put down the ones that I know are actually happening. And I recently switched to using the Papermate flair. I've used it before, but it's been a while, and I just love how like just more pigmented, like my writing looks. So I'm really enjoying using that again. It's been kind of fun to switch up pens, even though I'm probably never ever gonna quit my Sharpie S Gel. I love that pen to death, but this has been nice to reintroduce into my planning again. I've also been doing like some lettering practice and just kind of using it to help me out with my handwriting a little bit more, because I feel like the felt tip markers kind of grab onto the paper a little bit more, which kind of forces you to, it almost gives you a little bit more control in a way and kind of forces you to slow down. At least for me it does. All right, so I've got those work meetings and we don't have any doctor's appointments or anything like that. So I get to like immediately jump to the bottom of the page here, which I am going to go ahead and use a lot of these half boxes across the bottom for different things. But I'm kind of thinking, because there is a half box to match each day to make them match up. Let's see if that actually is going to work out. Okay, so there wasn't one to match every single day, but that's gonna be fine. I kind of like the way that this ended up looking for the most part. Like these three matched, these two matched, and then these two didn't, which is perfectly fine. All right, so on Monday, it is going to be a workout night. You guys, last week, or it was kind of the week before, I joined the Peloton app. I didn't realize that you could actually join in and you didn't have to have a bike. Like a bike is just like not really something that I budgeted for this year. So it's still like on the table, but I'm not sure if I want to jump into getting a bike. But if you download the app and become a member for 2 months free, you can try out all of their different workouts, and they have live workouts, which I thought was really cool. And it's motivating for someone like me to try the different live workouts, because I feel like if I schedule a workout, then I'm more committed to show up, if that makes sense. Whereas if it's not scheduled, it's a pre-recorded thing, I'm kind of like, well, I can do it whenever, then I'll probably find an excuse to not do it. So that part has been really motivating, but my goal is to try to schedule 3 to 4 classes, not necessarily all live. I just got a notification that I have a class this week that was canceled. So I'll have to find something pre-recorded, but the goal right now is to at least try to find them when I can to work them into my schedule. So I'm going to kind of fill in the bottom with the dates that I'm working out, the dates that I'm filming and editing, things like that. All right, so there is everything for the bottom. I have workout, and I kind of left some space over on the left here so that I could write exactly what the workout is or what time it's at if I can get a scheduled one. So that's workout for Monday and Wednesday, and editing Tuesday and Thursday. Our movie night is Friday. I kind of sit down Saturday nights and do like all of my pre-planning and things like that, and meal planning for the week. So that's where I put that. And then Sunday is film and edit my plan with me. Now I need to get 2 more days of workouts in here, and I think I'm going to use these skinnier appointment labels because I will probably do those on Saturday and Sunday morning. So those will probably have to be like a pre-recorded class type of thing, since I'm not going to be able to, some of those classes, I don't know if they get full. I don't know if classes online can get full. I haven't like been using it enough, but I have noticed that there's just a lot of classes that are not available, which is sometimes frustrating. So I don't mind having to do the ones that are pre-recorded, but I would really like to get in on some more live classes. That would be awesome. Okay, so there is that. Then I know that we're going to have some grocery time on Sunday morning. There's a lot of blue on Sunday. Like the whole day is blue. All All right, Friday is our trash day. I'm just gonna kind of throw that on right there. Oh, I could have used the planner time sticker, or like I always do that to myself. Okay, let's see. There was something else. All right, so I do want to use a this week sticker, and I think what I'm gonna do is use the little washi strip that's along this page to kind of make a header over here. I really like that. I should have gotten all of the extra stuff for this kit, but it's fine. That'll be fine. I do like how that looks though. The yellow to me on my screen finder is showing up like really weird. It's not showing up how I'm seeing it when I look down, so hopefully it doesn't look weird when I end up going to edit this video. Okay, so one of the things that I did want to add is Planner Kate started selling these like wacky holidays things. I talked about these in my February Plan With Me, and I like the size of these because I feel like they will fit better on the weekly pages, and I've been using the Chrissy Ann Designs ones for the monthly pages. So I'm going to, and you can order, I can't remember if they come all together. No, I think you have to order a sheet at a time. So I just went ahead and ordered for the whole year because I knew that I was going to forget. So let's start with February 1st. It says it is Spunky Old Broads Day. Oh my gosh, that is hilarious. All right, the 3rd is Feed the Birds Day. I can kind of get on board with that. And I think I'm gonna, I don't know. Because I've been really liking putting the weather up there, so I think I'm gonna do that. I'm kind of curious as to what our weather looks like because it has been all over the place. This past week we went from like almost 80s one day down back into the 30s. It was really, really weird. All right, the 4th is Stuffed Mushrooms Day. I could really care less. I hate mushrooms so much. I think that they're so gross. Let me know how you guys feel about mushrooms. I think mushrooms are disgusting. I don't really know why anyone would want to eat fungus, but you do you. The 5th is Bubblegum Day. You guys are going to be like, this lady is a mess. Oh, ice cream for breakfast day on the 6th. See, Kate is a saint for adding these to her listings. All right, and then, okay, the next one starts on the 8th, so we don't need that one at all. All right, one more thing that I want to add, of course, is the habits for the week, and I'm going to keep the same ones, which are focusing on my AM routine, PM routine, hydrating, my sleep, which has been just everywhere that it shouldn't be is where it's been. And making sure that I unplug every day for at least an hour, checking in with my goals and my skincare routines. I'm gonna add those to this page right here, and I'm just gonna pull a few pages out here. So much easier to write when your hand is actually like down on the surface that you are writing on, and then I'm just gonna copy these over there. All right, I think that that is it for this week. I really like how simple everything looks. This kind of leaves me with some space to add things here if I want to or if I need to this week. But other than that, this is hopefully going to stay a very chill and relaxing week. All right, guys, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not already. Make sure that if you're already subscribed that you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.